Just want to make a short video for people who get the same as me. So no sound from the audio system, even on radio or media. There's nothing getting out, even if you put the volume maximum. And if you press on the media button, the title just never shown, or it's searching for sound and there's no sound. So the quick tip I found that is in the trunk. So you just have to pull here and remove that connector and plug it back, and easy, it's done. You got volume. Maybe disconnect the battery for like 20 minutes and plug it back should fix it, but it's simple as it. All right, enjoy.